So I just received a package from Glamnetic. Haven't heard of Glamnetic? They are a lash brand. Make magnetic lashes. Now I believe they also have some nails if you're interested in stuff like that. They did send me a bunch of their lashes to try out for you. I love a good lash try on, so I'm excited for this. We have the Lash Grab, and we also have the felt tip liquid liner. If there's anything that you're interested in this video, or if you just want to check it out, they gave me a discount code for you, and it's gonna be Jenz. Okay, I'll put it right here. You're gonna get 15% off your order. Of course, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but you have the option. Maybe you don't like these styles, but you like how these lashes work. You can always go to the site, and there's so much to choose from. All right, video's not sponsored, but thank you so much, Glamnetic, for sending these goodies to me so we can try out together. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Take out this Glamnetic Lash Grab. I needed one of these so badly. I don't know why I like break them or damage them. I have a brand new one, and this one is different. So what I like about this one is like it's dual-ended. So this will be good, this little comb here, for when you apply your lashes, so it can like blend good with yours. You're just gonna comb them. That's so cool. I never had one like this, so I'm really excited. So this, I believe, retails for like $12.99. We have our Glamnetic felt tip liner, and this one is in the shade Deep Space. If you don't like a felt tip, they also have the brush, and it comes in many different colors. If you're like, oh, I don't like a black liner, no problem. They have many colors. They even have, like, I saw a dual-ended one. It has like black and brown, if that's something you like. So here it is. So this is what we're going to apply. No glue needed. When we apply this, that's all we're gonna need for these lashes to stick. This one is the Glamnetic Lash in Livin. Put them away super conveniently, and all the names will be displayed on top, so I love that. They all have the instructions in the back, so no need to worry, but it's really easy. All have 6 little magnets. Livin Lash looks like. I love that it has like a magnetic close. Just helps them keep them secure in place, and they all have a nice little motivational quote there. So this one says, never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. I like that. We have all different types of styles that we're gonna try on here. Is Lush. That's Lush. Lash is so long I can't see my haters. Tell me you don't love that. And you see, look how different all these styles are. So no matter what your style is, either you like them very light, very minimal. This one is called Love Lash, or the Love Lash. She remembered who she was, and the game changed. And this is a woman-owned business. How different all the styles are. It comes in a different packaging, and I love this here. See? I just love that. I really like this. This one is called Vacay. So these retail for $29.99. The ones that I'm showing you now, that you can use them up to 60 times. 60 times you can reuse these. And this one, it has to be like my favorite packaging. Look at these. Look how beautiful that comes. This is the Glamnetic in Honey, and these are the half lashes. I've never tried half lashes, so this is what I'm most excited about. Everything you need to know for the application. Apply the magnetic liner on lash line and adhere lashes from outer corner going inwards. Make sure that the magnets make a connection with the magnetic liner. To remove, gently peel off lashes from either corner. Cleanse skin with waterproof makeup remover. To reuse, clean magnets by gently scratching off dried magnetic liner. Do not wet the magnetic lashes. Let's start with these here that are Vacay. I'm just gonna take this Lash Grab, and I just want to show you here what it looks like. See the magnets? So it has 6 of them, and they easily stick here, you see? Did apply some mascara. They do advise that if you have short lashes like me, to apply some mascara so everything blends properly, but they say if you have long lashes not to put mascara. This Glamnetic felt tip liner, this I think retails for $42.99. So you're supposed to do the line, it says as thick as the magnets, not too thick but not too thin either, okay, so they can really adhere to the lashes. So, very easy to use, and it says to wait at least for it to dry 80%. Corner gently, and it comes out so easily. Super easy. The way you know if it's dry is you're just gonna close your eyes and feel it a bit. It should feel a little tacky, but there should be no transfer whatsoever. At least 15 seconds for it to dry. And you do want to measure these to see if you have to cut them whatsoever. How pretty is this? There you go. I can definitely probably cut it a little here for next time. Now that I explained like the first one, then I can fast forward the rest so you can see, and then I'll come back and tell you which are my favorite. We had many different styles. Some were like super light, and then we had a really like dramatic one, and then we also had our half lash. So this is so easy to use. You do a lash try on haul is usually complicated because you the glue, and it's messy, and then it rips like some of your lashes. That's the bad thing. But with this, there was no ripping of my lashes. That's not something I have to worry about. You see how easy it is, like when you need it to come off. I did reapply the lash liner a bit every time, well, almost every time I went to change a lash. It's so easy to use. And again, if you don't like black, they have several colors. You don't feel the magnets at all, like at all. It's not like it bothers. Of course, like if you're not used to lashes, then get them lighter. No matter what lash, you're gonna feel them if you're a first time user. But these don't bother at all. It feels amazing. I use eyeliner every day, so I love this. That is just one step and I get my liner, and I'm able to apply my lashes with my same liner. Like, that's amazing. I don't like my lashes too light, so these are like, I don't know, I just feel so comfortable with these that are called Love. Yeah, this is definitely like, I have no words like to describe this. It's just like my style, like 100%. Let me know, out of all of these that I showed you, which one do you love the most? Now, my second one that I enjoyed was Honey. I just knew it, because if you want to try the half lashes and you didn't like this one, they have more styles, maybe like 7, 8 more. But just the packaging of this, and it just looks so pretty. Like, I want to put these back on so badly because it was my first time trying half lash, and it was, love that style. This was so helpful. It really grabs everything easily, and then to brush, I love that. You may not use a lash grab, but I definitely do. Like, especially with my nails, it's so hard. Like, if I were just to use my fingers, but I know some prefer that. Like, if you don't have time to be messing around and like waiting a whole bunch of time for it to dry, for this, for that, like, this is perfect. You saw maybe like 10 seconds I waited to apply the lashes, and let's say I didn't position them in the right place. It was so easy to like lift it and put it back in the right place, and if I needed to add a little bit more of the liner, I did. but it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy and convenient. And again, my favorite part is that it won't rip your lashes. These are really secure. Again, don't wet these. The magnetic strip just, you see, they just like, and no damage to the lash. So code I gave you is only good for 2 months, and it's Jenz, and 15% off the site. It won't include the bundles because that's already discounted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.